Sivananda Yoga, a path to holistic wellness and peace. Sivananda Yoga, one of the most renowned schools of yoga, is a powerful practice that focuses on uniting the mind, body, and spirit. Rooted in the teachings of Swami Sivananda and later developed by Swami Vishnudevananda, this form of yoga is designed to promote a balanced and harmonious life. By incorporating physical postures, asanas, breathing techniques, pranayama, meditation, and ethical guidelines, Sivananda Yoga aims to cultivate health, mental clarity, and spiritual growth. The core principles of Sivananda Yoga. Sivananda Yoga is grounded in 5 main principles that guide living a peaceful, balanced life. These principles can be applied both on and off the mat. Proper exercise, asana. The physical postures in Sivananda Yoga are designed to stretch and strengthen the body, increase flexibility, and improve overall health. Each asana is practiced slowly, with deep focus and awareness. The practice involves a set sequence of poses, typically including a warm-up, sun salutations, and various standing, seated, and reclining poses. Proper breathing, pranayama. Pranayama is the practice of controlling the breath, which is considered the body's life force or prana. In Sivananda Yoga, controlled breathing techniques such as alternate nostril breathing, nadi shodhana, and kapalbhati are used to calm the mind, cleanse the body, and enhance energy levels. Proper relaxation. Relaxation is an essential part of the Sivananda Yoga practice. Savasana, corpse pose, is usually done at the end of the session to allow the body and mind to absorb the benefits of the practice entirely. Deep relaxation also helps to release stress, increase mindfulness, and promote overall well-being. Proper diet. Sivananda Yoga advocates a vegetarian diet rich in natural, wholesome foods. The practice emphasizes eating fresh, organic fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to maintain a healthy mind and body. Avoiding processed foods and excess stimulants like caffeine is recommended to enhance physical and mental clarity. Positive thinking and meditation. Cultivating a positive attitude and mental peace is vital in Sivananda Yoga. Meditation helps to quiet the mind, reduce stress, and promote inner peace. The practice of mantra chanting, or japa, is often used to focus the mind and elevate consciousness. By nurturing positive thoughts and practicing meditation, practitioners can connect with their higher selves and experience spiritual growth. Tips for practicing Sivananda Yoga for beginners and experienced yogis alike. Sivananda Yoga offers a holistic approach to wellness. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of your practice. Start slow and be patient. If you are new to yoga, don't rush through the poses. Sivananda Yoga emphasizes mindful practice, which means listening to your body and progressing at your own pace. It's essential to stay patient, as flexibility and strength take time to develop. Focus on breathing. Breathing is at the heart of yoga practice. Pay close attention to your breath during asanas and pranayama exercises. Deep, controlled breathing calms the nervous system and helps you stay present and focused throughout your practice. Create a consistent routine. Regular practice is vital to experiencing the full benefits of yoga. Aim to practice at least 3 times a week, gradually increasing the frequency and duration of your sessions as your body becomes more robust and flexible. Incorporate meditation. Sivananda Yoga places a strong emphasis on meditation. Set aside time each day to sit in stillness and meditate. Even if it's just for a few minutes, this practice will help clear your mind, reduce stress, and deepen your connection to your inner self. Practice gratitude and positive thinking. Alongside the physical practice, Sivananda Yoga encourages cultivating a positive mindset. Practice gratitude for your body's ability to move and breathe. Replace negative thoughts with affirmations that align with peace and wellness. Conclusion. Sivananda Yoga is not just about physical postures, it's a comprehensive approach to living a balanced, peaceful, and healthy life. By incorporating proper exercise, breathing, relaxation, diet, and meditation principles, this practice can guide you toward achieving mental clarity, physical vitality, and spiritual fulfillment. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced practitioner, these timeless teachings will help you grow and evolve on your yoga journey.